There's plenty we don't know about our pets. Today's question for our pet vet on call: how can I determine the sex of my parrot?
Well, that's real easy if it's a female and she'd be kind enough to lay an egg for us. However, it usually takes the presence of a male to stimulate egg production, so that doesn't always happen. About the only way to determine the sex of a parrot is to do it surgically. A tiny incision between the back ribs. With a scope, you can see if they have ovaries or if they have testicles, because with birds, they're always on the inside.
Hey, we invite questions from anyone. If you have a question, you just send it to petvet@koamtv.com. Dr. Eva Dudek from the Parsons Pet Hospital answers a different question or brings us a fun fact every Wednesday right here on KOAM News at 5. You can also find answers to previous questions on our website. All right, let's check out our picks of the litter for the week. From the Joplin Humane Society, we've chosen this adult male Great Pyrenees. The society says he's 3 to 5 years old, walks well on a leash, and comes when called. His name is Luke. And from the Southeast Kansas Humane Society, a roughly year-old cat, a domestic medium hair named Bonsai. If you're looking for a pet, why not at least check out your local Humane Society? They always have a lot of great ones.
They do. Those look cute.